On to start live trading on TradingView. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to make a deposit by connecting your broker the right way. Let's get you set up and funded in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the TradingView website and sign into your account. Make sure you are using a browser for full functionality and easier access to broker connections. Next, go to the Products tab and select Super Charts to launch the main charting interface. Then head to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. Here, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Just find the one you want and click Connect, then enter your login credentials. After that, you'll be redirected to the broker's login page. Log in using your account details and authorize the connection between your broker and TradingView. Now, once your live account is connected, look for the deposit button inside the brokers section on TradingView. Click it to go straight to your broker's deposit page and follow the steps to fund your account. And that's how you make a deposit in TradingView by linking your broker. If this helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more clear and fast tutorials. See you next time!